Hello everyone, welcome to Sakti Institute of Teacher Education and Research. Yes, Aparna from second year B.Ed, Department of Mathematics. Here she going to take about education and democracy. Democratic education, basic principles of education in democratic state. Democracy means rule for people. They make certain laws and follow it. There are two types, direct and indirect. Direct, people are involved directly. Indirect democracy, group of people elect a particular person and authority is given to him. Democratic education. Democracy allows every individual to speak, criticize, and disagree with others. Values like liberty, equality, fraternity, justice, dignity of individuals, cooperation, sharing of responsibility are applied in education to make more meaningful, relevant, and useful. Individuals have separate ideas and ideologies. Basic principles of education in democratic state, treating every individual with dignity and respect. According to William Kilpatrick, democracy believes in essential dignity of all persons. Everyone must be educated irrespective of religion, race, sex, and economic status of all parents. If education fails, the potential of child is highly affected in the society. Freedom. Everyone have freedom to speak, express, form an association, travel throughout the world. Freedom in education to ensure each individual to express his unique individuality. Equality, basic principles, all men are created equal, must get equal opportunities in the field of education. Every individual must provide with adequate opportunities. Fraternity, develop habit of adjusting and live in peaceful, avoiding social conflicts. Everyone should develop his personality traits by respecting others and find unity in diversity. Everyone expects a peaceful life to live. Tolerance. Education develops the quality of tolerance towards the cultural and intellectual differences among individuals and groups in the society, which paves the way for free play of ideas. Training in democratic citizenship. Education should cultivate in individual in the sense of responsibility and duty towards the society which they were aware of the rights and privileges. Educational institutions should serve as a training ground for development of leadership endowed with democratic outlook. Education is the basement for all qualities of a person. Faith in bringing changes through peaceful means. Democratic likes to bring changes not by force or violence but through persuasion and mobilization of public opinion. Develop changes in social changes by peaceful way such as alone well-being, peace and happiness to all, provide lasting solutions. Faith in hard work. Educational practices followed in schools and colleges will never fail to reap fruits. Believe in group work. Everyone must be work in group and cooperate to others and achieve the goals. Democracy gives importance for corporate living to